Hello, I'm Dr. Omnia Latif. I'm part of the faculty here at AAAM. I've been part of the faculty since 2013 and love teaching here. We've taught over 10,000 doctors worldwide. We offer more than 300 courses worldwide. We teach in the Middle East, in Asia, in Europe, and here in the United States. In teaching, what we look at here at AAAM, what makes us different than others, we're not just showing you what to do. We're actually having you understand what you do. We're utilizing evidence-based medicine to truly understand the practice of aesthetic medicine. And when you understand the practice of aesthetic medicine, it is very easy and seamlessly you can apply it correctly into your practice by Monday morning. We teach here level 1, level 2, and we do offer the board certification. I love teaching our delegates. We've reached phenomenal reviews, and the fact is that they've taken other courses and they come here and say, oh my goodness, I now understand how this works. Please join us at AAAM.